order that I made recently from Floreria Design Floral. They had a very pretty orchid on stock, and I really wanted it, so here we go. They always pack the orchids very well. Also we have the fragile tape, so that is good. Okay, let's see what we have inside. As always, they usually they put some wire on the back part of the package so it stays in place. There we go, now it's untied. And now let's see the pretty little guy. I didn't really anticipate it. It is such a tall orchid, to be honest. So that is nice. It means it is really healthy. I'm so excited. And it smells so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And it's so heavy. Oh, look at these blooms. I hope you can see it. It is a gorgeous orchid. Unfortunately, it is soaking wet, so he will not receive any kind of water for at least 1 week or maybe even 2 until it dries up. Let's completely open up this beautiful orchid and we will talk later. You cannot imagine how gorgeous this orchid smells like. It is a delicious fragrance. I'm happy to see green roots because they are alive, which is very good. Oh my god. It's heavy. And it smells so beautiful. And I'm so happy, guys. Look at him. I hope you can see the beautiful blooms. They are large. And the background color, it is white. It has a little purple tinges on the petals and sepals, and here on the lip it has a very dark burgundy color, and it is followed by a very tiny tinge of yellow here, but a very pale one. Let me put it on the table so you can actually appreciate it better. I don't even know what side I should show to you. Hope you can see it right now pretty good. So we can see it is a beautiful orchid. It has bloomed only from halfway up the canes, and that means from the other nodes it will bloom in the future. The roots are alive, they are stiff, which is nice, but they are very cold. I don't know why somebody would ship right now wet orchids. I'm sure that it is not their fault, because these orchids recently came on stock from I don't remember exactly, but anyway, quite far away, so they didn't water them. The blooms are large, they are very large compared to other let me take out the camera. There you go. So the blooms are very large compared to other nobile types orchids, and they are quite beautiful. I love this orchid. I never saw this one in the shops before, so I really wanted to have it as soon as I have seen it. We can see the orchid is absolutely full of buds, so that is nice. The leaves are large, but they don't seem to have any kind of pest, so I am happy. The only damage that I see, it is on this little leaf, which I don't think it is from a pest. So it looks quite good in my opinion. Looks very healthy and happy. So yeah, guys, if you happen to know the idea of this beautiful orchid, let me know in the comment section below. I will really appreciate it. Meanwhile, I will actually check up this little tag on the internet to see if they actually have the ID, because sometimes you can track with that little tag the nursery and find out exactly what plant it is, because there are a lot that are similar. In case I don't find it on the nursery website, I will look at Yamamoto's dendrobiums, because usually it was one of their hybrids. I am so happy, guys, and I have 3 beautiful new growths here, and maybe they will push even more in the future. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!